Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see OSPF configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. So we should know what is OSPF. OSPF is nothing but Open Shortest Path video. We are going to create network, and within that network, three routers will be there, three switches will be there, and for each of these switch, three different end devices, that is PCs, are connected. So within this network, we have to find the shortest path. So definition of OSPF, so open shortest path first is link state routing protocol that is used to find best path between the source and destination router using its own shortest. So let's start with the implementation. So first open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now within Cisco Packet Tracer, if you observe here at bottom left corner, it is showing different network devices available. If you click here, it is showing the network devices, end devices, connections. Again, from here, we are going to take the connections. Again, multi-user connections. It is showing network devices such as the routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security related, and WAN emulation. That is wireless area network. So right now we need the routers, switches, and end devices. Okay. So from here we will select the router. So first select the router. Just click on it and press the control. So first select the router. From this we are going to use PT router. So select the PT router. Just press the control and select the PT router. And we need three routers. So just paste it and three routers are there. Second option is there for switches. Again select the PT switch. You have to press control and you have to select this so that directly you can drop here. So for each switch, again we are going to use the three different machines. So again select on end devices option. From that select PC. So here 1, 2, 3 for this first network. 1, 2, 3 for the second network, which is connected to second switch, and these three machines are for third network. Now, rearrange this. Now here select connections option, and from that choose automatic connection type, so that which type of connection is required, it will select automatically. So connect first router with the first switch. Again from this switch to PC1. Again connection from switch 0 to PC1. Again next connection between switch to PC. Similarly, you have to establish connection between all the networks. Now see here we are going to connect this first router R0 with the router R1. So see, according to devices, it is selecting the connection type automatically. So just select the automatic type of connection. Now friends, here we have done with the connections. Now we have to set IP addresses for all the devices. Now see friend, don't skip the video, because if you miss giving any device IP address, you will not able to send the packets and error will come. So we'll go step by step, don't skip the video. So first select the router R0. Before that, just I want to show you how we are going to give addresses all these devices. Now see, total we are having three routers R0, R1, R2. Again, if you see R0 is connected to this network and it is connected to the router also. Means total two links are there. So here address one is a serial and one is connected to the network. So for that we are going to assign one IP address, and for serial link we are going to assign the IP address. Again, R1 is connected to the three links. R1 is connected to two serial devices and one within the network. That's why IP addresses we will give for that as 2 for serial and 1 for network. Similarly, R2 is connected to the one serial and one network device. See here, R2 is connected with one serial and within one network device. Okay, and after this, again we are having the total 9 machines from PC numbers PC0 to PC8. PC0 is connected with router 1, which is having the default gateway of 10.10.10.1. So machine addresses will be 10.10.10.2. Again, this 10.10.10.3 and last one 10.10.10.4. It means that it is keeping the network address same, that is a 10.10.10. Similarly, we have done for the second network also. In second network, PCs from PC3, PC4 and PC5, these three PCs are connected. And in last network, three PCs are connected, PC6, PC7 and PC8, having the network address as a 13.30.30 dot, and whatever address is there, that is 0.2 or 3 or 4. Now here subnet mask, if we click, it will take default subnet mask as a 255.0.0.0, and wildcard mask will be 0.255.255.255. For what purpose wildcard mask is used? It is used to protect device from unauthorized access. That's why we have to use wildcard mask. And default gateway for these different machines we have given. Okay, so I will post this table within the description box. You can refer it. So let's start set IP addresses. Again, open this Cisco Packet Tracer. First select router 0. Again, in this we are going to do the configuration. Select the R0. Again, within this R0 we are going to set the fast Ethernet 0. So fast Ethernet 0. Again, IP address for this fast Ethernet will be 10.10.10.1. If you click here, it will take the subnet mask automatically. Again, select the serial connection. For this serial connection, type the IP address as a 40.40.40.1. Again, select this option as a on. And if you click here, it is taking the subnet mask automatically. And our fast Ethernet will be 10.10.10.1. Just on this fast Ethernet address. Okay. So we have done for the setting with the R1, router 0. Now to select the router 2. Again, for this router 2 configuration, fast Ethernet address. So fast Ethernet address will be, before this we have to on this port status. Fast Ethernet address, that is 20.20.20.1. This IP address is for that link which is connected to the network. Subnet mask, it will take automatically. Again, select serial port. One serial port is connected to the first network. For that, we have used the network address 40.40.40. So here we will take 2 subnet mask. It will take automatically. Select serial 3. Again, for this, set the IP address as a 50.50.50.1. Select the subnet mask just on the port. For this, also on the port. Okay. So we have done configuration for router number 0 and router number 1. See, now it is showing the green lines here. Now select the router number R2, the third router, that is a R2. Again, configuration, fast Ethernet address. So fast Ethernet address is nothing but which connected to the network. So just on this and type the address 30.30.30.1 subnet mask. If you click here, subnet mask will get automatically generated. Again, it is having the only one serial port which is connected to the router 1. IP address for this 50.50.50.2. Just click here. We'll take the subnet mask just on this. Once again, check the fast Ethernet 0. It is also on. So just close it. Now see, we have done connectivity for these 3 routers. Desktop IP configuration. Now see, first we are going to set IP address for PC0 as a 10.10.10.2. If you observe this chart, we are following it. So fast Ethernet 3 PCs are having these addresses 10.10.10. First machine have 2, 3, and 4. Second machine have address 3 and third machine have address 4. So according to that, so we are done with the 10. If you click here, subnet mask will get automatically generated. Now default gateway, we have to set the default gateway as a 10.10.10.1. Now close this. Again select the PC1. Again here desktop IP configuration. So here IP address will be 10.10.10.3. Subnet mask automatically it will get generated and default gateway will be, it is in first network, so 10.10.10.1. See the chart, it is first network. For first network, default gateway is 10.10.10.1. So again select the third PC, desktop IP configuration. Again IP address will be 10.10.10.4. Subnet mask it will generate automatically. Again default gateway will be 10.10.10.1. Again close this. Now we are going to set IP addresses for the first machine which is in second network. So select again, just click on it, select the desktop IP configuration. Now here we are in second network. So second network is having the 20.20.20.2 IP address for first machine in second network. And subnet mask it will generate automatically and default gateway is 20.20.20.1. If you observe here, again we are in second network, that is PC3, 4 and 5. So for that we are going to use the default gateway as a 20.20.1, and these 3 are the different IP addresses for the machines in second network. So just close this. Again select the second machine from second network. Again desktop IP configuration, same process we have to repeat for the all the devices, but be careful for IP addresses. So again, it is in second network. So 20.20.20.3. Again, subnet mask automatically it will get generated. Again, default gateway will be, we are in second network. So default gateway is 20.20.20.1. Can close this. Select the third machine. Desktop IP configuration. Again, for third machine, IP configuration is 20.20.20.4. Subnet mask automatically it will get generated, and default gateway will be 20.20.20.1. Now close this. Now select the first machine from the third network. Desktop IP configuration. Again, IP address for this will be 30.30.30.2. Again, see the table. PCs number 6, 7, 8. These are in third network, and default gateway is 30.30.30.1, and machine IP addresses are like this, 30.30.30, and last digit is only changing like 2, 3, and 4. So according to that, we are giving the IP addresses. So here default gateway is 30.30.30.1. So close this. Again, click on second. Again, click on second machine. Desktop IP configuration, IP address. So IP address for second machine is 30.30.30.3. Subnet mask it will generate automatically, and default gateway will be 30.30.30.1. Okay. Again, close this. Again, the last machine is desktop IP configuration. Type the IP address 30.30.30.4. Again, subnet mask it will generate automatically. Default gateway will be 30.30.30.1 because it is in third network. It is a class network. Now close this. Now see, right now we have done connectivity for all. But here we are going to say open shortest path first. For our understanding purpose, I am showing this. These three routers are connected within the network. So friends, whatever we have marked this, we will consider this as a system. So area under this eclipse we will consider as a system, and routers are connected within that system. So we will just name as AS1, so autonomous system 1, and this area will name this area as area 0. Now select the first router. Now select the first router R0. Now we want to enable this router, so type the command enable. Configure this terminal, so type configure terminal. Now we want to configure terminal for router OSPF space 1. So now we have entered within the router configuration. We have to provide the network. So type network space. Now our first network is 10.0.0.0. Then we are going to provide wildcard mask. So it was 0.255.255.255. Space. Again area, we have provided area as a 0, and just press enter the button. Okay. Again, just press the arrow key. It is taking above all the details. So wildcard network and area 0 will be same. Just we have to change the network. So it is in 20. in this way, we have to add all the network. So network wildcard area, wildcard mask and area will be same. So just change here the network addresses. Again, our next will be network 40.0.0.0. Again, wildcard mask, then area. Again, type the network address, that is a 50.0.0.0. Again, wildcard mask and area will be 0. Again, press the enter. Now we have done setting for the router 0. Now type the command exit because we want to exit from this router. And close this window. Now similarly, we'll do setting for router number 1. Router 1. So just double click on it. CLI. Select the CLI. Again, router. We will have to enable this router. So type the command enable. Just press the enter. Again, we want to do the configuration. So type configure terminal. Press the enter. Now it has entered into the terminal mode. Again, we want to connect to the first path. So type router OSPF 1. Again, press the enter. Again, same like a previous router, we have to set the network. So type network address 10.0.0.0 space. Now we have to provide the wildcard mask. So 0.255.255.255 space. Again, area, we have defined area as a 0. So area 0. Just press the enter. Again, we have to add network 20. Again, 30. So we have set all the network addresses. Now type the command exit, but we want to exit from this router. Press the enter. Now close this command line interface or router 1. Now select the router 2. Just double click on it. Select the CLI option. If you press enter button, it is showing router. Again, we have to enable this router. So just press the enter. Now we have to configure router. So type the command configure space terminal. Press the enter. So configuration is started. So again type router OSPF space 1. Again we have to provide the network address. So type network space 10.0.0.0 space. Again we have to provide wildcard address. So 0.255.255.255 space. Now wildcard address has been given. Now we have to give the area also. Area space 0. Similarly, we have to add all the network addresses. 20, 30, 40. So we have set all the network addresses. Press the enter and type command exit. Exit from this router. Now close the CLI configuration for router number 2. Now see, we have done all the connections for all the routers. So first we'll check by using the PDO by sending messages. So first select PDO. Suppose I am selecting PDO and I am passing it from machine 1 from network 1 to machine 2 from network to machine 1 from network 2. So it is showing failed. Sometimes if single packet also fails, it is showing whole process as a failed. So we'll check for the another message. So second PC from first network to second PC from second network. Now see, it is showing the status as successful. So sometime it depends. Single packet also fails, it shows the status as a fail. So you can select any PC and send PDUs. Suppose I am taking this with this machine. It is showing failed. Once again, we will try. Suppose this PC, that is the third PC from first network and first PC from second network. Again, it is showing the status as a successful. By using ping command also, we can send the packets. So just click on this machine. Select the command prompt option. Ping. Now I want to ping to the first machine from third network. So 30.30.30.2 is an IP address for that machine. So just press the enter button. It is showing the status sent 4 and received 4. Here it is showing the status as a successful. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.